Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of DeLorean Tech, and today we're going to kick off a new multi-part video series on how to install a big brake kit in the front of your DeLorean. Vented front brakes are a very common and worthwhile upgrade for a DeLorean of any power level. Unfortunately, the stock setup uses proprietary rotors and calipers with expensive replacements. In addition to this, servicing the rotor also calls for removing the wheel bearing. The guys over at LS DeLorean have designed a conversion kit that allows for the installation of upsized big brake setups with large vented rotors and multi-piston calipers. The whole setup bolts on directly to the car with no invasive modifications required. It's completely bolt-on. The best part of this conversion kit is that you can still run the original factory 14-inch wheels with your big brake kit, which is a huge bonus. In this video series, we'll show you the parts included in the conversion kit itself. We'll show you how to install it with Wilwood calipers and 10-inch rotors. And then in the final episode, we'll take the car out for a road test to see just how much of a difference it makes. In this episode, we'll unbox the conversion kit from LS DeLorean and show you the parts involved.
Alright, so here's the unboxing video. So this is a pretty heavy box here, so. Alright, so LS DeLorean. Oh, look at all this. Cool, so here's the parts list that we've got. Nice. We've got a nice sticker here. So this is their Instagram channel right here. That's pretty cool. Wow, look at this. So here's your parts diagram, and as well as your materials here, all the different pieces. This is pretty cool. This gives you an idea exactly how the adapter is going to be installed. So this is the driver's side. Got some notes here. So here's the brake kit they recommend from Flying Miata. It's the little big brake kit. This is the one that's going to fit with your 14-inch wheels. Okay, so this is the one we're going to be installing in the DeLorean in part 2 of this video series. So here's a full-blown instruction on how to install that. Okay, so let's check out and see the parts. Some lines here. Alright, let's see what we got. So he also included his indicator, so we're going to actually do the Euro spec clear indicators for him as well. So we included those. We'll be sending those ones back with the clear lenses. So let's take these parts out. Everything appears to be pretty well packed. These are the adapters, brackets right here. So these are the caliper brackets. These actually look really nice. So this is for the passenger side. This one's the driver's side caliper bracket. It's a little different. I'll show you why in a minute. So this is actually a tether for the speedo cable, right? So that's why your driver's side bracket looks a little different from the passenger side. Alright, so that's what we got here. So you get a new dust cap. It's pretty cool. And this is one of 2 the new wheel hubs that you get. Let's take a look at these. Oh yeah. Pretty cool. So you get 2 new wheel hubs. All your hardware is included. So this is a Miata dust cap. So that comes with the hub. And get a few zip ties. Alright. Alright, let's go ahead and open up the other one. So these are the wheel hub spacers. Oh, these look really nice. Look at that machine finish. That's very clean looking. And it's the other wheel hub that you get. There it is. Okay, so these are the factory installation instructions as well. Cool. All right. So that's everything. So I like the look of these new brake lines here. These are actually really cool. Alright, so we've got all the parts laid out here. We're going to go over all of them here. So you've got these two wheel hubs. These are actually from a 90s Ford Escort, the rear of a Ford Escort. These are actually compatible with the DeLorean wheels. Then we've got a couple of these wheel spacers. These actually install wheel hubs like that. So it's important to use these because it's required if you're using the 14-inch wheels in the front of your DeLorean, the stock 14s. So you get two wheel hub spacers, you get two new front brake lines, you get a 3D printed angle drive dust cap, you also get the Miata dust cap, I guess if you want to use that instead. You get two hub nuts, and these are the caliper adapter brackets. So you get 8 of these caliper mounting bolts and 8 spring washers. So what's not included in the kit are the calipers and the rotors. You can reuse your existing wheel hub washers and your spindles if you plan on getting the Flying Miata kit, which allows for the Willwood calipers and the 10-inch Miata rotors. You'll need to use these wheel spacers like I mentioned before if you're going to use your stock 14-inch wheels. So when we do our installation video, you're going to show you what comes with the Flying Miata Little Big Brake Kit. So it does come with the Willwood calipers, the caliper brackets and bolts, and the 10-inch Miata rotors. And just so you guys know, these are stainless steel braided brake lines. These are actually really nice. Alright guys, well I hope you enjoyed this quick little unboxing video. Stay tuned for part 2 when we do the full installation of the kit with the Flying Miata Little Big Brake Kit as well. And we'll probably do a part 3 video with a full road test to get our reaction. So definitely stay tuned for more on this big brake kit. It's going to be really exciting. Thanks for watching, guys.